Lesson 8.1 Emerging Technologies in Meteorology. Today, we're diving into the incredible technologies rewriting the rules of weather forecasting, from AI that predicts storms faster than we can blink, to drones that fly straight into hurricanes. These aren't sci-fi concepts. They're tools already saving lives worldwide. Let's face it, our weather is getting wilder. Record heat waves, monster hurricanes, flash floods that appear out of nowhere. Climate change isn't just a future threat, it's here now. And our old forecasting methods? They're like trying to navigate a modern highway with a 1920s roadmap. Traditional weather models take hours to crunch data, struggle with small-scale details, and often miss what's happening in remote areas like oceans or mountain ranges. That's where these game-changing technologies come in. They're not just improving forecasts, they're transforming how we interact with the very air around us. Picture this: an AI system that can analyze a century's worth of weather patterns in less time than it takes to brew coffee. That's exactly what tools like Google's GraphCast are doing right now. Here's how it works. These artificial brains study decades of past storms, every twist of a hurricane, every surprise tornado, and use that knowledge to spot coming disasters before traditional models even finish loading. The results speak for themselves. AI predicted Hurricane Ian's devastating path 6 hours faster than human forecasters. And for short-term threats? Systems like DeepMind's nowcasting AI can warn you about a flash flood or hailstorm 2 full hours before it hits, time that literally saves lives. If AI is the brain of modern forecasting, supercomputers are the brawn. These machines are so powerful they can simulate every square kilometer of Earth's atmosphere simultaneously. NOAA's newest supercomputer, nicknamed the Beast, runs calculations so complex they'd take your laptop 47 years to complete, and does it in 4 minutes. This muscle lets scientists create forecasts with street-level detail. Imagine knowing which side of your town will get the worst of a storm, or exactly when rain will start at your child's soccer game. That's the precision we're now achieving. Remember tornado drills where sirens gave just minutes to take cover? New radar tech is changing that. Phased array systems like NOAA's MPAR scan storms every 30 seconds instead of every 5 minutes, catching tornado formation almost instantly. Up in space, satellites like NASA's Tempo act as celestial weather detectives, snapping hourly pollution maps that help cities combat smog in real time. And get this, companies like Spire are launching shoebox-sized satellites that cost 100 times less than traditional ones. Here's where it gets personal. That smartphone in your pocket? It's secretly packed with weather sensors. The barometer measures air pressure drops before storms. The GPS tracks tiny atmospheric changes. Apps like Weather Underground already pool data from 300,000-plus personal weather stations worldwide. In the Amazon rainforest, where official stations are scarce, scientists use 3D-printed sensors costing just $40 to fill critical gaps. This isn't just citizen science. It's a revolution in how we collect weather data. One backyard weather station at a time. Meet NOAA's sail drones, robotic surfboards that sail straight into hurricanes. While we're evacuating, these brave machines are measuring 100 miles per hour winds and towering waves, sending back data that improves forecasts by 20%. It's like having a storm chaser that never needs to sleep. Quantum computers might sound futuristic, but they're already helping scientists solve weather equations too complex for normal supercomputers. While still in development, they could one day give us accurate one-month forecasts. Imagine knowing drought risks before planting crops. Scientists are building a virtual copy of our planet that simulates oceans, atmosphere, and even cities. This digital twin lets them run climate experiments safely, like testing how sea level rise might affect your coastline in 2050. Now, what happens when someone tampers with storm data? Enter blockchain, the same tech behind cryptocurrencies, now protecting weather info. It creates unchangeable records of every hurricane update, rainfall measurement, and climate dataset. Paired with our digital twin Earth, this means trustworthy simulations for climate planning. No more guessing if the numbers were altered. Scientists are now stealing design tips from nature to build better weather tools. Dragonfly wing sensors that detect subtle air pressure changes before storms. Pinecone-inspired humidity gauges that swell, contract like real cones, shark skin coatings preventing ice buildup on Arctic stations. The best part? These biomimetic devices use 70% less power than traditional sensors. In drought-stricken areas like Dubai, drones are now seeding clouds with special particles to boost rainfall by 15%. While controversial, this tech could help farmers during dry spells. Soon, checking the forecast might mean asking your AI assistant, "Will it rain during my picnic?" Startups are already testing virtual meteorologists that explain weather in simple terms. No confusing maps required. Solar storms can knock out power grids and phones. New satellites like DSCO-VR give us 30-minute warnings, enough time for airlines to reroute and utilities to prepare. Even weather from space affects our daily lives. From AI that outpredicts humans to drones that brave hurricanes, one thing's clear. The future of forecasting isn't just about better technology. It's about better protection for people worldwide.